Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss right here in Plus500. So first what we're going to do is research right here for an instrument that we want to buy. So let's go to Ethereum. Then what we're going to do after this is click here on buy, and then right now we can fill in with how many contracts we want to step in. So let's say one contract is fine. Then what we're going to do is we go right here to set limits, and then we look right here at close at loss, because this is the stop loss. So then we enable this one, and then we fill in right here something like, okay, if the price drops to $1,500 US, then we go back, then he will close our trade automatically. So then our losses will stop, and that's exactly what we want. So what we're going to do right now is we click here on buy, and then if you can see right here at Ethereum, we have a buy position. And then if we click here on edit, you see right here that we added a close at loss, a stop loss on our position. Now we can change it if you want to do that right now, but that is not necessary in my place. Then we click on update. And this is how you can stop loss right here in Plus500. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.